So what is the growth marketing funnel? It's a way of breaking down the growth of your business. The basic concept of a funnel is that customers have to go through a series of steps before they'll do what you want them to do. But from that first point of contact to your end goal, some will inevitably disappear along the way. So if we go back to the 1800s for a second, we get to the AIDA model, developed by a man named Elias Lewis, who was trying to break down the purchase process, and he came up with 4 steps. 1, a customer becomes aware of your product. 2, they develop an interest in that product. 3, that turns into a desire. And then 4, they take an action, like a purchase. Now, of course, not everyone who becomes aware of my business is going to make a purchase, but my job as a marketer is to make sure that happens as much as possible. A more modern interpretation of the marketing funnel is the R funnel developed by tech investor Dave McClure, also known as Pirate Metrics. This funnel is a little bit different because it's breaking down the growth of your business. It starts with acquiring customers through various marketing channels, getting them to do something meaningful so that they can experience the value of your product, making sure that they come back so that you can develop a sustainable business, finding a way to make money from these customers so that you can keep your business alive, and then finally getting them to tell their friends so that you can grow your business even more. So that's acquisition, activation, retention, revenue, and referral. But why use this funnel framework at all? Well, it allows you to look at the growth of your business like a machine. And by seeing all of the different parts of the machine, you can prioritize what parts of the machine need improvement most. So instead of blindly working on something that you think is going to improve your business, you'll know that you're investing where you're going to make the most impact. Now let's take a look at a real life example. What does Udemy's funnel look like?